3 to 5 years for me definitely look like me kind of really building up people that I bring on. So more of like a mentor owner, and also maybe creating more opportunities for the people that I hire. So whether that be, hey, you can actually own this franchise or you can open up a franchise, different opportunities, because I was given an opportunity and I want to make sure that I kind of do what is called a giver's gain. I gained a lot from these people working for me, but I also want to give back in ways that are very important to me. That's kind of one of the purposes of why I started my business. And so 3 to 5 years, man, the sky's the limit. I know for sure that I will still have the amount of territories I have and just capitalize on the potential of the territories.